Hey, it's Josh at Apex Overland. I'm going to show you the build we just got done with here on this brand new Raptor R. Alright, so Matt did about 90-95% of this work, and he did an awesome job, so we're going to take a video of everything we got done here. So, under the back seat back here, we've done a full REDARC system. We did a REDARC Manager Alpha 100 back here. To access all this, we also did a seat fold down kit. These Raptors, only this seat back comes down. Customer gave us a bracket that makes that other seat fold down as well, so they both fold up. So, but yeah, REDARC Manager Alpha 100. It is powering / powered by a Battleborn 100 amp hour lithium battery right there. It's powering a REDARC 1000 watt inverter. And then underneath the seat as well, we have a brand new ARB Brushless dual compressor. And then if you notice, right here is the REDARC Smart Battery Manager. So that's Bluetooth capable. And then there's a hole right here. If you notice that, he is going to put his Starlink right there. You can see the cable coiled up right there for him. And then right beside the compressor, we have enough room for him to put his air tools. Biggest thing with this truck is we didn't want to drill into anything. If he goes to trade this thing in, sells it down the road, we can pull all this stuff out and you would never know any of this stuff is installed. The only things we had to drill in through, if you look where the compressor's mounted and where the inverter's mounted, I made some inlays there and covered them in carpet. Those got through bolted through this bottom storage thing here, but he could take this out because it bolts in through factory holes, get rid of it, and no one would ever know any of this stuff was ever done. All the wires punching through the cab went through all rubber grommets that it was already there. So again, we can take it all out down the road and no one would ever know it was ever in here if you ever wanted to trade it in. Let's work our way to the bed and I'll show you what's going on back there. Out of the compressor comes through the cab, and then down under here, we were able to hide a 1 gallon ARB tank. From the tank, air line comes up into the Apex Designs, not this Apex, a different Apex. Apex Designs hose reel, made a custom bracket so it sits right there. Ignore this right now. We don't have an ARB, it'll be here in a little bit. So that's just the air pressure, everything. If you come around over here, he also requested this box. He sent a picture of someone online that had done something like this. So we got a waterproof junction box, and in here is all of his electronics. So we have a compressor switched on and off. Right here is his shore power, so he can plug it into 110 and that goes through the manager. And then underneath that is the 110 out of the inverter if he needs to power something in his bed. And then we have a slew of 12 volt stuff. So the top one here is a voltmeter, but it also does USB-A, USB-C. And then the bottom one there is just a normal 12 volt cigarette plug. And he is a little taller than I am, so he's not going to struggle as much as I am. But even then, it's not so bad. All right, around the rack, we've installed Baja Design S2 Sports. There. Those are his side lights. In the rear, same S2 Sports, but in amber. And then on this side, same thing. We have floodlights on the side. Up on his rack, up here, his Starlink is going to get mounted when he gets home, and then a solar panel on the other side. How we're controlling those lights is a Switch Pro. I made a custom mount that mounts it right here. It weaves inside the dash there. Again, no drill. He can take that off by popping that cover off, and no one would ever know a Switch Pro was installed in this vehicle. While we have the door open, underneath the seat right there, we hid the inverter switch right here, so we can power the inverter on whenever he wants remotely. All right, and then with the manager, it also comes with the Red Vision screen, and we were trying to find somewhere to mount it, and Fast and Furious days, boom, right there. It fits great. Again, no drill, and he can monitor everything he has going on from the one screen. And then, since it is Red Vision, he can also connect to his phone to it as well and monitor it that way. But it's nice to have a nice, easy screen to look at when you're going down the road. And to round this off, we installed airbags under the rear. They are airlift airbags. So if you look under here, they replace the factory bump stops. That way he can haul some additional stuff. And then again, with the no drilling thing, we were able to find factory holes in the very bottom bedside right there. So this is the left fill, and then the right fill is just on the other side. So again, Matt knocked this out of the park. If you're looking to get your vehicle built by here, or us here at Apex Overland, reach out to us via email, sales@apexoverland.com. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen.